So good morning. This is a quick video on how to make oat flour. I have been searching it for quite a while now to get some oat flour in the supermarkets over here in Spain, but they're quite expensive and I don't think it's very hard to make. So this is how you make it. You get some rolled oats and then you just blend it, I guess. You might have to shake it a bit so the coarser ones comes up. Then blend again. So that's pretty much it, and now to have some kind of like a grain size filter, so this is the one I prepared yesterday. We just take and now we just pour it in this, whatever we grinded, and then we kind of sieve it out, the finer part, and the rest of the part you can eat for muesli. So yeah. So that's our oat flour, and this goes in today's oatmeal. Well, that's pretty much it, and later on we will make a video on how to make cookies from this flour very fast. And until then, see you.